whole shop just with fireworks. What for? Should we get some of these?
Do you have to swear on the